Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, this is something else going in my mom's apartment here, and I have a little downtime to get it done, so we're going to open this box and see how this came out. I believe my wife got it on Amazon. It's kind of we're using it over the toilet. I don't know if that's what it's meant for, but it's the CHOO, I believe is the name. Item number MC18007-WH. Two-door medicine cabinet, and it's white. It says it's 25 pounds, 25 to 22 pounds it looks like on here. Anyway, made in China. Let's open it up, see how she looks. Oh, and I'll put the prices and stuff below if I can get that information. Well, hopefully you can see this. I don't have great light today, but it's got decent packaging. I mean, it's got this stuff all the way around on all four sides. And so far it appears that it's made it okay. We're starting out with the two doors. They're, I believe, 5 and 6. Yeah, 5 and 6 is the numbers that are on these. And I'm going to start with the Of course, I already have my first snafu when I was saying that. This here does not go in as far, it's not recessed as far. And then these kind of they go in quite a ways, and that actually won't grab it very well. So I'm going to actually have to go in and recess this a little bit, or you'd have to get a longer screw. I'm going to go ahead and drill that a little bit. As you saw, that didn't work very well at holding it together, so I'm going to suggest we're going to put these cam bolts in here first and tighten them down. This has enough movement in it. I'm thinking we'll be able to get it pretty close. And actually, before I completely, what you want to get these cam bolts, they got to push in quite a ways before they'll turn. I'm going to go ahead and put these, make sure we got the holes. Oh, there's holes on both sides of it, so I don't know if it really matters what direction this goes, to be honest. It doesn't really say. But I'm going to go ahead and put this part of it in. And then I'm going to tighten these cam bolts down here in the bottom. That'll kind of hold this stiffer. Then we'll go ahead and put these pieces back in. At the end of this, I ended up with two of these, and they're nowhere in the instructions that say where to put them, but I have now figured out they go here and here. So where I just cut in at, you want to remember to put these these strips in between here and here. All I'm gonna have to do is pop the top off and pull these out, put these in, put the top back on. I don't have to pull everything apart, but would have been nice to know before. Be able to get a real good view of it, but there you go. It's on the wall above the toilet. It'll hold some toilet paper or whatnot. It comes with these little doodads here that you put in the holes wherever you want it, and then on the back of both of the shelves are the grooves, and the dowel pins just kind of sit there in the grooves. So I'm going to leave this one for my mom so she can decide what she wants to do with them. And I think that is about it. Alright, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one. There's a spot. I really need to get some cleaner.